really think crypto gaming and metaverse are going to be a huge part of the next bull market. And I think I'm a little underweight on those types of projects. There's one particular project that caught my eye that has both metaverse and gaming. Let's take a look at Gamium. Welcome back to the APY Guide channel, where I try to find the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing in this video or on this channel is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, we're going to be on Gamium.world. This project got a lot of press recently. Well, actually, it was in February where they had a big partnership announcement. I do have here is the announcement here. They're delighted to announce our collaboration with industry leaders Meta, Facebook, formerly known as Facebook, and Telefonica through their Metaverse Activation Program. That pumped the token up quite a bit when that news was announced. So they obviously have pretty cool partners. We're going to take a look at the project as a whole. There are two main products to this project, and they are called DIDIT, Identity and Financial Protocol, and Metaverse Platform they call Genesis. And there is also staking, so stay tuned to the end of the video, and I can show you how that's done. It's actually pretty cool staking, to be honest with you. Okay, let's take a look at the project, and you can't do any better than going straight to the white paper. So let's look at the white paper. It says Gamium is a technology company that creates digital identity and metaverse solutions for individuals, businesses, and developers. Gamium has developed the world's largest interoperable identity and financial protocol to create the internet's identity layer. It says we aim to make the internet a better place where people can feel more connected, trusted, and in control of their privacy. That is a quote from the CEOs and co-founders who are fully doxed with their names right there. There's two products. Gamium offers two types of digital products, DIDIT and Genesis. They're both coming soon, I believe. There is a beta form, I believe, that's out currently. DIDIT is a identity and financial protocol. Be yourself everywhere with just one click. Sounds cool. DIDIT is the world's largest interoperable identity and financial protocol. With DIDIT's innovative technology, individuals can navigate the internet with their decentralized digital identity and make secure and easy data transfer and payments with just one click. Businesses can improve their onboarding, identity verification, and payment process. By creating a true identity layer 0, DIDIT establishes unparalleled interoperability in the internet, empowering humans with greater connectivity and digital experience. Being a layer 0, then anyone can build on top of it. The second product is Genesis, which also says coming soon. Genesis, also known as the YouTube of 3D experiences, is a social platform that allows users to live and create a wide variety of experiences. With Genesis' unique value proposition, everyone can create their own digital world using its code and no-code SDK, and explore infinite experiences using its advanced search engine. Really cool. Both products are really innovative, and I think they will do really well. This is why this project really caught my eye. There's more to DIDIT here. It's the world's identity and financial protocol. DIDIT's identity solutions for individuals and companies are built over an innovative identity and financial protocol, allowing the creation of internet identity layer. By creating a true identity layer 0 compatible with every blockchain. That's the word, every blockchain. did it enables never before seen interoperability. That's why they're a layer 0. So layer 0s are the bottom layer, and then layer 1's build on top of the layer 0. Kind of like Cosmos as a layer 0. There's other ones. Did it for individuals. Did it allows everyone to easily create and manage their decentralized digital identity. They're calling it a DDI, enabling quick logins, data transfer, and payments with just one click across different Web3, Web2, and Metaverse applications. Did it for business. Did it protocol provides different tools to improve your business's identity, verification, and payment processes by adding just a few lines of code. Did it allows businesses to onboard and verify users efficiently and securely within their applications and manage customer. And then a little bit more with Genesis. Genesis lands are digital spaces where users can socialize, build their own experiences, earn and spend money. With Genesis' unique value proposition, everyone can create their own digital world using its code and no-code SDK for beginners and experts. Explore infinite experiences using its advanced search engine. From Genesis, everyone can create their own magic, navigate immersive 3D experiences, meet new friends, and have fun in a unique way. A pretty cool and unique platform that looks like they're trying to build. This is the social media links. And then next we're going to go into the actual token itself. Projects pump on hype, and this could be a hype token because of its, partnerships, especially with Meta. If you look at, like meme coins like Pepe is pumping like crazy just because of hype. This was one that I just think could do very well. And they could expand this digital identity product, the Did It product, to possible crypto games where you could log into certain games, have like your NFTs already loaded. And the digital identity is just a good, concept to begin with. I have not heard of other projects that have done that. If you have, please leave them in the comments. This is the first time I've heard of that, where you could go on any blockchain. They're saying any. So I'm not sure which ones are compatible right now. I know the token itself is on Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, which we're going to look at here in a second. But the way they're talking, they're going to be compatible with all blockchains. Okay, Gamium is powered by the GMM token, its governance and medium of exchange token. It runs on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. Tokenomics are as follows. The total supply is GMM has a max total supply of 49.5 billion tokens, which is kind of a lot. But as we'll see in a few minutes, the majority of the tokens are unlocked. And the token vesting, the tokens are unlocked gradually to ensure a sustainable economy and avoid sharp volatility, which is a good thing. You get GMM, there's multiple exchanges, including KuCoin and Maxi. You can get it on PancakeSwap and Uniswap as well. Let's go over to CoinGecko and take a look at the price action. It's currently trading at 0.00118 cents. The current market cap is $29.326 million. That's still a low market cap gem in my book. Anything under 50 million now in a bear market is low market cap gem in my opinion. The all-time high I misread earlier is 0.0129. So it's over a 10x to its all-time high, which is good. And the all-time high was about a year ago. The total supply here, they're not showing it right. They're saying 25. That is incorrect because we looked at the white paper. It said it was 49.5 total max supply. If we look at coin market cap, it does have that as the total max supply. It's 49.5. So if you were to dilute that completely, the fully diluted market cap would be 62.6, which is still a very low market cap in my opinion. What could the price do in a bull market? I could think it could do a 25x from here. That would get it to a $500 million market cap. What do you guys think? Leave that in the comments. Now we're going to go to my favorite part, which is the staking. It has pretty good staking. It is time staking though. So if we go to the staking site, it's staking.gamium.world. If we go here, you have two different options. You can stake the straight GMM token. The highest APR you can get is a 31.12%, which is still good. But you have to time your stake. So if you stake it for 1 full year, that's how you get the highest APR. If you stake it for a month, you're going to get a much lower APR. I have one stake that I'm doing for 365 days currently, and my plan is to do a LP stake as well. I have not done that yet. You earn the GMM token, plus you earn land tickets. Like I explained earlier, you can get the land discount tickets for Genesis. If we look at the LP pair, it's 174.52% is the highest APR you can get. And again, you are doing it based on your time. So a full year, you're going to get that highest APR from your stake if you lock it up that much. I'm probably going to do, I think I'll do some for a year in the LP, and then I'll do some probably for 6 months, just in case. I'm not going to do anything huge, but I want to get some exposure to this project. I do have the single stake currently. Down at the bottom, they have some frequently asked questions. They're just basic questions. I think the only one that I kind of wanted to look at was, can you add more to your stake? Yes, you can. You can add more whenever you want to. There's no maximum amount to stake, and there's one GMM token is the minimum that you need to stake. And the minimum lock duration is 1 month. You have to stake for at least 1 month. Okay, and just to let you know, the staking is on the Binance Smart Chain, and to add liquidity, you'll go to PancakeSwap. That's where you're going to add liquidity, and that's where I swapped for the GMM tokens. Let me know what you guys think of this project. I think it's going to do really well. If there's any gaming or metaverse projects that you guys are bullish on, please leave those in the comments. I just think this will do well just because of the partnerships, but also it has 2 good products that are coming out, and I think that they'll do well. Meta, Wayra, and Telefonica, especially emphasis on Meta being partners with. I think it'll definitely do well in the next bull market. Can it do a 25 to 50x in a bull market? 25 is definitely possible. It could get up to a $500 million market cap. If Pepe can get up to a $500 market cap, why couldn't Gamium with the use case that it has and the partnership? So as always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.